Buckle up, space fans. You might think it's crazy how much cash goes into exploring outer space when we're still clueless about our own home planet. And trust me, Earth remains a total enigma, a real-life mystery novel just waiting to be solved. Did you know that we've only mapped a tiny 5% of the ocean floor? Yeah, an astonishing 95% is still uncharted territory. Now, since water covers over 70% of our planet, it's pretty mind-blowing how little we actually understand about what lies beneath. But let me tell you, the ocean has been the unsung hero when it comes to discovering weird and wonderful creatures that'll blow your mind. Deep down in the ocean, we've got some real-life sea monsters. Take the colossal squid, for example. This beast can stretch up to 15 meters long. Sailors claim they've seen even bigger ones out there, and it's no wonder why legends like the kraken might have been inspired by these massive cephalopods. Then there's the anguilla shark, lurking in the deep, that'll give you the chills just looking at its intimidating face. The eel shark takes things to a whole new level. Armed with over 300 razor-sharp teeth forming a deadly saw-like jaw, it's an apex predator of the deep. Last but not least, we have the black devil or abyssal monkfish, a mysterious tropical fish belonging to the Melanasa family. That will leave you in awe. Get ready for this deep-sea dweller. The anglerfish thrives in extreme depths of 3,000 to 4,000 meters, where sunlight barely reaches. Its most striking feature is an antenna-like structure protruding from its nose. And it's not just any ordinary appendage. This special growth is home to a cluster of bioluminescent bacteria that light up like tiny lanterns. Their glow serves as bait, attracting unsuspecting prey straight into the anglerfish's waiting jaws lined with razor-sharp teeth. Now, let's take a closer look at another mind-boggling creature. Can you spot the goblin fish? Let's pause for a moment to soak in its eerie appearance. Imagine a fish so bizarre, scientists had no idea what it looked like until nearly 7 decades after its discovery in 1939. Fast forward to 2004, when the first ever photo of this alien-like creature was finally snapped. But why the name transparent headfish? It's because this weird and wonderful being has a dome-shaped head that's literally filled with see-through fluid, giving us a peek at its brain, eyes, and even nerve endings. But here's the coolest part. While the head is super transparent, the rest of its body remains a solid, opaque mystery. And to top it all off, this fish sports an awesome shield on its head that protects it from the toxic stings of cephalophores and jellyfish, its main food sources. No CGI or sci-fi magic here, folks. This is one real-life creature straight out of your wildest dreams. Get ready to blow your mind. We've got 2 of the most bizarre sea creatures you'll ever meet. Meet the crow Medusa, a real-life, no-joke deep-sea species discovered in 2016 at an astonishing 4,000 meters below the surface. And if that's not weird enough, we've also got the Xenoturbella churro, another alien-like ocean dweller from 2016. It doesn't even have a brain, mouth, backdoor, or any way to make more of its kind. I mean, it's actually true. You won't believe this thing. Meet the weird and wacky creatures of our ocean. They look like something you'd find in your laundry basket gone wrong. But trust us, these adorable critters are far from dirty socks. From cartoon-worthy octopuses that'll make you giggle to others so strange they're still puzzling scientists trying to figure out their species. It's time to dive into the hilarious world of weird marine animals. Imagine a Pixar movie come to life, but instead of on your screen, it's the real-life scene from the deepest parts of our planet. So why do creatures that call the ocean floor home look so utterly bizarre? It all comes down to survival in extreme conditions. Deep-sea dwellers face a harsh environment where sunlight is as elusive as a unicorn. It doesn't exist down there, and for good reason. Light from the surface gets absorbed or scattered long before it reaches these dark depths. Deep down in the ocean, where sunlight barely reaches, it's a whole different world. Many creatures living here are see-through or glow from within. It's like an underwater light show. But why do they need to shine bright? Well, in these dark depths, finding food and friends is super tough. So some animals have evolved to be masters of visibility. Take the deep-sea hatchetfish, for instance, cruising through the dark waters of our planet's biggest oceans, Pacific, Atlantic, and Indian, with eyes that are seriously on point and nostrils that let them sniff out the action. Deep-sea dwellers face an extreme combo, temperatures plummeting from a chilly -1 to 4 degrees Celsius and crushing pressures reaching 8 tons per square inch. But that's not even the half of it, because these environments are also supercharged with sulfur and liquid carbon dioxide spewing out from underwater vents on the deep seabed. It's like Mother Nature is throwing everything at us, saying life shouldn't be able to thrive here, but guess what? Life finds a way. Now, you might think that such intense pressure would have spawned gargantuan sea monsters. I mean, logic would suggest it, right? Imagine there's a beast lurking down in the dark depths of our oceans, like Leviathan from ancient Semitic myths. Who knows, maybe these legends were sparked by actual encounters with massive sea creatures back then. But here's the thing, we still don't know what lies beneath our seas, because we're only just starting to explore them. Think about it, the Mariana Trench alone stretches an astonishing 550 kilometers long and 69 kilometers wide, dwarfing the famous Grand Canyon by 5 times its size. And within this underwater giant, there's a spot so extreme that it'll blow your mind, the Challenger Abyss. Scientists from the University of New Hampshire mapped the seafloor in 2014, revealing an astonishing depth of 10,994 meters. That's as deep as Mount Everest is tall. Imagine an underwater world where the pressure's so intense, it'd crush Mount Everest. That's over 210 meters deeper. That's right, folks, we're talking extreme depths here. Scientists have picked up some mind-blowing sounds at these incredible depths, and they think there might be massive sea creatures lurking down there. These mysterious noises are sparking some serious curiosity. But can we really believe our ears? What if these sounds aren't just from regular sea life, but something entirely new, hidden away in the darkest corners of the ocean? The hunt is on to uncover the truth behind these enigmatic echoes. Get ready to dive into an amazing world of possibilities. Did you know that coding is more than just writing lines of code? It's like building with blocks, but instead of physical bricks, we use symbols and languages that a computer can understand. Just as architects design entire cities, coders create entire worlds by combining different elements in unique ways. From the games you play to the social media platforms you love, coding is behind it all.